So you want to tell me a little bit more about it again?
It's a 70 Roadrunner. I bought it in 2017 out of Illinois. Put it back together here in Jersey. It was in a million pieces when I got it. It's got the original 383 engine in it, the original 4-speed transmission in it. Got an older paint job on it, but it's got a new model top. Plus the original interior. And,
Good. Want to give you a girl with a bikini?
This girl deserves it.
Yeah.
She is hot.
You can get Johnny out here in a bikini.
Nothing like the original. And like I said, I love the top on it. You did great.
Thank you. It's a good look.
I used to have one of these.
Did you?
But it was a Matchbox. I've never seen him get on that.
I think he loves it too much to get on it.